Yabona-ke bafethu basikhuluma ama-ghost-ke sikhuluma abantu abakanjena bafethu. Today ngiliphathele uShebe Shiti noZinxumalo bafethu. One of the ladies bafethu versatile that we have in South Africa bafethu. Best vocalist that we have in South Africa bafethu. So into engibangazile abantu laba bashaya collaboration bafethu within 2 months. Yayibona yonto leyo. Ingoma yabo bafethu seyiku 2.5 million. These two artists bane-impact bafethu ayikabi. Yabona when it comes to Zinxumalo bafethu une-impact currently. When it comes to Shebe hayi bafethu superstar ke lelo bafethu yabo. Even though social ngamportray kakubi kanjani but the superstar kuShebe bafethu ayikabi bafethu ighost emaghostini bafethu. Into akayenzayo uyayazi lolova lo. Bafethu. Yangithola. So by the track abayikhethe Ratolaka bafethu is out this song bafethu and is dope bafethu. Yo special mangena uZinxumalo la voice yakhe. Hey ay ngitshela bafethu umyulayini umyushuni la ngoma le bafethu and la ngoma iyatrenda on YouTube number 1 bafethu yangithola. So into ensayijo bafethu uthi badrophile abantu laba bafethu ne but ingoma yabo already seyumid music video bawudrophile. I think kunama few weeks nyana days nyana nje uphumile but so hamba phako 800 something yangithola I'm gonna put the screenshot lana ku writing on my video bafethu for ukuthi nibone sponsor abantu bafethu. If le ngoma bafethu ayistreamanga or ayilalelanga cela nje usiphi isikhathi uvayo mama le ngoma yangithola likompo yalazi kepha khona uShebe sikompa waya so bavaya bafethu no stream bafethu. It's a nice song and like it is very beautiful song. You understand? It's gonna inspire you somehow, especially masemathandweni. Yakusi it's good for you. Yeah, ngithola ibolo nto leyo. So bafethu kahle masikhuluma ngama artist ayazazi indaba zabo sikhuluma ama artist akanjena bafethu. Abantu abazenza abantu benza into bafethu bazinikele umsebenzi wabo bafethu bawenzisise bafethu. And I'm really proud of Shebe bafethu. I'm really proud of Shebe the way pushing ngakhona, the way maneuver ngakhona egaming. He's making things way different than abanye abantu bafethu and yinto imenza ukuthi abe unique and yinto abantu bakhe bamthanda until today. You understand? This guy bafethu sokudala eblowile but manje ayiseke superstar elinye bafethu ulinye izinga bafethu and abantu bayamthanda. Ayika bafethu bamthanda uShebe abantu bafethu bamthanda uShebe bafethu abantu nabantu bakho bathini babe negative and what. That guy is a superstar bafethu that we have in South Africa and in turn the fact to music wakho real. You understand? Whatever I feel like whatever dlula kuyibeka injalo yangithola. Yeah, even though ezinye izithusa but ke uyibeka injalo uShebe. So umuntu ukuthi manje yazini uzokushayela umusic ofike nje